Today we will discuss what is the difference between the earthing and grounding. So there is some difference between the earthing and grounding. So please subscribe my channel and get more electrical related video. So here we see the first difference of the earthing and the grounding are the method of the protect the human being from the electric shock. For the earthing, we know that earthing is protect the human being from the electric shock, but for the grounding, this method protect the entire power systems or any the malfunction. So for the purpose of the grounding, here we see the grounding is protect from the electrical malfunction or the electrical systems, but the earthing is protect. Here we see earthing is protect from the electric shocks from the human beings. So this is the one difference of the earthing and the grounding. So the next difference between the earthing and grounding, here we see that the earth wire is used from the green color. Here when we use the earthing, we use only the green color, and when the grounding, we use always the black color. So the color of the wire is used for the purpose of grounding is black, and the purpose of earthing is green. So this is the another difference from earthing and the grounding. So the next difference between the earthing and grounding is earth is primarily used to avoid the shocking the human, and the grounding is primarily used for unbalance when the electric systems on the overload. So for the purpose of the grounding, here we see when the unbalanced current flowing through the systems, the grounding is used for the protect the electrical systems from the where we use the DC or the solar systems, and for the transformer protection, here we see the grounding is used for the purpose of transformer. Here the neutral wire of the transformer is grounded. So here we see for the purpose of grounding of a transformer, here these points is grounded because for the purpose of the grounding of the transformer, we protect the transformer. But for the earthing, here the no current, or for the earthing systems, we always use to avoid the shocks. There is no current flowing for the purpose of the earthing systems. When the voltage occurs, then the current will the flow. But for the grounding systems, there will be the current flowing through the systems. There is a fault condition, or either the fault condition or not in fault conditions, but always the current is flowing through the grounding system. But the earthing system, there is no current flowing through the earthing. So this is the one difference for earthing and the grounding. So the next difference, here we see that for the purpose of earthing, the earthing is located under the earth pit between the equipment body of the underground, and for the purpose of grounding, it is located between the neutral of the equipment being used for the grounded. So that is the difference between the earthing and grounding. For the earthing, here we see when the fault is occurred, then the current will be the flow, or the earth fault, or the fault current will be the flow for the purpose of earth. But for the purpose of grounding, the always a current flowing through the system. Here we use the transformer, that the neutral point of the transformer is there is some leakage current flowing through the ground. So this is called the grounding. But for the household or the equipment earthing, here we see there is no current flowing through the system. When the fault will occur, then the current flowing through the system. But for the neutral, there always certain amount of current will flow, or the leakage current will be the flow through the system. For the solar system, we use generally the grounding. So this is the another difference between the earthing and the grounding. So this is the main difference between the earth and the grounding. So thanks for watching this video.